the channel. So today we're with Kate
Hi.
and it's going to be an intercooler and boost hose fitting video. So we've got both of the products from Airtec.
So here we have the cold boost pipe. Rachel has got the intercooler.
So we've got the stage 1 intercooler with the orange Airtec logo, and we've got the Pro Hose boost pipes in orange. It's going to be a lot of orange. First job is to get the headlights and the bumper off, so let's get that done first. So we took the screws out of the headlights, they were using a Torx 25. And then we took some bolts out of the slant panel, which is there, and where else, Kate?
It was 8 places, so it's like, yeah, what, there, 8, yeah.
Sure?
Yes, I think I'm sure. We'll see.
Oh dear!
Anyway, getting the bolt out from. So there's 4 under this wheel, under both wheel arches that we have to get out to release the bumper. 2 out of 4 so far. 1 is longer than my arm away, so I'm currently trying to break my arm. Yeah, so there's 3 along the bottom and there's 1 like halfway up that you've got to achieve. Oh, it's not, sorry.
So we've got the headlights out, which is a bit of a pain. But if we move over to this side,
Sorry.
we need to get these bolts out here. So there's 2 there, and I'm using an 8mm. And then now it's just time to pull the actual bumper off. So Kate, step outside.
How are you doing it from?
From like here. So we've just taken off the bumper and this is what we are left with. Looks sick. Tough job. The hose first, and there's like a little clip here, so I'm getting a trim remover tool. And then now we've got the clip all loose, I need to hold that. Oh, me hair. There we go. Job's a good one. So you need to remove that bolt that cameraman just showed you. So I've got a 8mm socket on a screwdriver, and it's a bit of a tight squeeze if you've got little fat fingers like me. So we've just took the bolt off the other side, so it's basically just a case of lifting up the intercooler, she says.
Lean it towards yourself.
There we go. So as you can see on the Airtec one, the core is a lot thicker, and just make sure you actually take the bungs off the standard one. I did not just fart, that was that. And then put it onto the Airtec one. Excuse you. So the fins on the standard one are a bit like tin foil, so wait, look at that. And that's just off me doing that. So I'm just going to loosen the Jubilee on the back of the hot side boost pipe with a 7mm. So that Jubilee clip at the back there is the one that I've just loosened. So I'm just going to pull the boost pipe and it should come out. into the wall. But anyway, we've got the hot sides out, so replace this. So this metal part of the clip is the only original part that we need to put under to the other Pro Hose ones. So I'm just gonna take it off. Is it not coming on?
There you go. Just look away. Yep.
There we go. So just put the Jubilee clips on the hot side. So obviously big side. So the big one on first and then the little one, and then I'm just going to put this on where we actually took it off before, and then we'll tighten everything up.
Is that on?
Yeah.
How far?
All the way.
Is it?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah. So we've got the hot side on, and now I'm just going to tighten up this Jubilee clip. So I'm just going to loosen off the Jubilee, which is connected to the cold side boost pipe, which is also connected to the throttle body elbow. So once that's off, we can then take the standard boost pipe off and put the Pro Hose one on. So I've just gone underneath the car, and this is the hose that we need to actually pull out. So we're pulling it from up there. So let's give it a pull. So we end up taking off the throttle body elbow just because it is a lot easier rather than just pulling it, because you do need a lot of force. So we've attached that onto the cold side boost pipe, and we've also attached the Jubilees. So let's go and attach the actual Pro Hose from the underneath. I'm going to tighten up the Jubilee clip, which is on the cold side boost pipe, which we've pulled back onto the throttle body elbow. So I'm just going to tighten that up. So you've just attached the L-shaped brackets on each side. So there's one there and one up the top here. So these come in the actual fitting kit, or with the instructions type of thing, with the actual intercooler. So now it's just time to get the intercooler on, and then finally get the bumper back on. So the original intercooler actually attaches onto this little, this little hole here, but the Airtec one actually attaches onto here. So we're going to have to take them out and then actually put the intercooler in, and then we'll just put the bolts back in, and then that should make it all secure. So we've got the boost hoses all connected, so now it's just time to go and get the intercooler, prop the intercooler on, and then just tighten everything up. Got the intercooler on, now it's just time for both of the clips to be added onto the sides of the intercooler, just to secure it in place, and also tighten up the Jubilees. We're losing life. So the intercooler's on, and so is the boost hoses, and obviously, as you can see, we are doing it in the dark, which is quite fun. So now it's just time to put the bumper on, and I'm not going to show you how to put the bumper on because I've just shown you how to take the bumper off. So do that in the opposite order, and then off you go. So it's been a few days since we fitted the intercooler and the boost pipes, and I would seriously recommend not doing it in the freezing cold. It took us absolutely hours just because we literally lost the feeling in our toes and in our hands, but it was all worth it in the end. So the intercooler and the boost pipes, them bits of hardware, will be coming into play with another modification which is coming very soon. Hopefully it will be on the channel sooner rather than later. I'm hoping to get it all booked in and finalised ASAP. So stay tuned for that on the channel, and make sure you subscribe and also press the bell for any notifications of when I'm posting and things along them lines. But I hope you have liked the video, and if you have, then leave a like and a comment, and I will see you in the next one.